In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a remote job as a fresher. If you're just starting out and you don't have formal work experience yet, don't worry. There are still plenty of remote opportunities you can apply for, especially if you approach the process the right way. A great place to begin is Upwork, along with other professional job platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, JobStreet, Caliber, and online jobs. These are useful places to look for beginner-friendly remote roles. First, decide what kind of remote job you actually want. Some strong entry-level options include virtual assistant, customer service representative, data entry, social media assistant, content moderator, administrative assistant, online tutor, and junior digital marketing assistant. Choosing a direction early helps you focus your applications and build the right materials. Next, identify the skills you already have. Even if you haven't worked in a formal job before, your schoolwork, training, volunteer experience, and personal projects still count. Skills like Canva, Google Workspace, social media management, communication, research, and basic bookkeeping can all be valuable. The goal is to recognize what you can already offer. Once you know your strengths, create a professional resume. Keep it clean and simple, and focus on your skills, education, training, projects, and achievements. Instead of highlighting that you're a fresher, highlight that you're capable, organized, and ready to learn. It also helps to build a small portfolio. You do not need paid clients to do this. You can create sample work such as a Canva social media post, a content calendar, a spreadsheet, a mock customer service response, a sample email, or a short social media strategy. Personal and hypothetical projects are completely fine because they show employers what you can do. After that, create professional job profiles on the platforms you plan to use. If you're freelancing on Upwork, make sure your profile is as complete as possible, including your skills, portfolio, and any relevant experience or training. Your profile often works like your resume, so completeness matters. When searching, use specific keywords instead of only typing remote job. Try searches like entry-level virtual assistant, remote administrative assistant, social media assistant, customer support remote, data entry remote, junior digital marketing, no experience remote, or fresh graduate work from home. As you apply, don't wait until you meet every single requirement. If you can handle most of the core tasks and you're willing to learn the rest, go ahead and apply. Just make sure to customize every application by mentioning the skills from the job description that match your background. Before interviews, test your internet, microphone, camera, and headset. Practice common answers about yourself, your strengths, and how you manage time. Also be ready for short tests or sample tasks because these can help you prove your ability even without experience. Finally, apply consistently, track your applications, watch out for scams, never share sensitive financial or security information, and keep improving your skills while job hunting. That combination can make a big difference in landing your first remote job.